So, hello to a next pump video. So I've been sorting the lathe out in the workshop and getting it set up in a new place, a lot more usable now. Got a, as you can see, a nice light over it. Lathe now in place. The rest of the workshop's a bit of a mess at the moment, but yeah, it's getting there now in here. So let's have a look at what I've been doing. Right, so this is the one of the piston rods out of the Worthington Simpson duplex pump that the one I'm currently restoring. So what I've been doing is a method that an old millwright showed us years ago how to do. Really good method actually. So you can see how shiny that is compared to that end. So basically what I've been doing, and I'll set the camera up in a minute, I'll try to, and take a video and show you, is basically holding a Scotch Brite pad onto it whilst it's spinning with some oil onto there. So oil can and oil onto that, and basically just holding it on gives a right good clean. As you can see, it's a pretty good shine on it. So only a small lathe, but does its job, works really well. I've just had it all stripped down and all the old oil and grease and rust and everything cleaned off it, and yeah, looks good. So that shows what I've been doing with the lathe. Only a short video, this one. I'm having a trip over to Bancroft Mill tomorrow in Barnoldswick. It's in Lancashire. Lovely mill. Got 2 engines running in there. Cornish boiler. It's well worth a visit. If you have a look through my channel, you see there's got quite a few videos there. Really good friends with all the volunteers at the museum, and hoping possibly to get some quite unusual footage tomorrow with any luck. So just a short video, just a quick update on what's happening with the pump. But yeah, thank you for watching, and look out for the next video, which should be either tomorrow or Monday. And like I say, it'll be a bit of a longer video, and yeah, keep having a watch. Oh, and one last thing, thank you to everybody who is watching my latest short video. It's taking off again, which is absolutely brilliant. There seems to have quite a few videos doing that at the moment. The certainly like the Centurion Ave video, that's got up to about 22,000 views. But what I am noticing is a lot of new viewers, but not many people subscribing. So please subscribe, thumbs up, and please put a comment on, and let's get it to 10,000 by the end of next year, which would be absolutely brilliant. So thank you. Just like to say in the end of that, at the moment, not making money off this channel, completely just for the enjoyment of all my viewers. So thank you for everybody that's watching, and hope you continue to like the videos. Thank you. I'll be seeing you.